Had them right here. 94 Ford Ranger 3.0. Cranks won't start. First thing I noticed was it cranked really fast, so I've got the camera mounted here. Hopefully it won't fall. I want you guys to see the same thing I see. Watch the rotor button down there inside the distributor. Got a cap popped off there. Alright. And as you can see, it cranks really fast. And the rotor button don't move. So, for all you YouTube viewers, if I can do this without dropping the phone down there, I'm going to pop this distributor and we're going to see what's going on. And of course I can't see. Uh-oh. You guys are getting ready to take off here. Get my coat hanger mount out of the way. And we'll try to do this holding the camera. Wish me luck. Okay. No. Alright. Looks like this might be part one of two videos. Because I think I'm going to need both hands to get down here so I can get the light in there. That's 10mm hold down, by the way, in case you're wondering. It's just not easy to get to. I've already loosened it up. There we go. I just wanted you guys to see this distributor come out because I already have an idea of what it is. Just going on the forums online. So we're going to get a peek at this one. We don't drop that hold down bolt. Oh, and we dropped it. And it's landed conveniently close enough to grab it with the fingers, which never happens. Okay. This rotor button. Alright, I give her a good tug. Usually should mark where the rotor is, but it died while driving, so I'm going to assume it's out of time anyway. So we'll go ahead and just pop, maybe pop the distributor out. Possibly. Well, boy, that's really in there. Haha. Alright, I'm going to lay you guys down for just a moment. Get both hands in here. Maybe. Bless it. There we go, it's out. Alright. Now, well, I thought it was. What are we jammed on here? There we go. Oh, let's pull this beast out of here and see what we find. And just as I suspected, the teeth are sheared right off of it. I'll get outside so you guys can get a good look at that. Look at that. Teeth are just gone. So, YouTube viewers, you get a Ford comes in with a 3-liter, cranks and won't start, that's got a distributor in it, and you've checked everything else. Well, maybe not check everything else. If you got a good ear, you'll hear that it cranks faster and assume that the chain is broke, which is uncommon. Pop that distributor out, and I'm almost willing to bet a paycheck this is what you'll find. That's all for this one, folks. Have a great day. I've got to go find a distributor.